So hi. So now here in this class we are going to learn some more problems. So in the previous class we learned about the finding the sum of the terms in which the numbers are divisible by 6. So we use the arithmetic progression series as 6, 12, 18 so on, and by using the total number of datas and by using value of first term and the common difference d before the value of s. So similarly we have another problem. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. 15 multiples of 8. That means here total number of terms are 15. That means n is equals to 15. They not give value of first term as well as common difference, but they give the series is multiples of 8. So therefore the arithmetic progression series becomes 8, 16, 24, 32 like that. So by using that arithmetic progression series we have to find out what is the value of a and common difference d. Okay, so and total number are given, that is 15, and by using the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we have to find out the sum of the 15 terms of this arithmetic progression series. So I will solve the first problem by using the data. The AP series is 8, 16, 24 like. Okay, 8, 16, 20, because these are the multiples of 8. So now by using this we will get value of a as 8 and value of d is 16 minus 8. This becomes 8 because it is multiples of 8. So therefore d remains constant, that is 8, and total number of terms 15, that is given. Value of n is given. So now we know the formula. So first I will write the formula here. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn becomes S15 because total number of terms are 15. 15 by 2, 2 into value of a is 8. So therefore I will substitute a as 8 plus n minus 1. Value of n is 15. N minus 1 becomes 15 minus 1. And value of d here, that is common difference 8. So now S15 becomes, I will keep this as is 15 by 2. 8 to the 16 plus 15 minus 1, it becomes 14 into 8. Here we have to use BODMAS method. First we have to do the multiplication, then addition. Okay, and before that we have to do the calculation of the terms which are present inside the bracket. So the next step becomes S15 equals to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So it becomes S15 equals to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 1, 1, 2. S15 equals to 15 by 2 into, so 16 plus 1, 1, 2, 12, 22, 28, 1, 28. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, then 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Therefore S15 equals to 15 into 64. 15 into 64. 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9, 0 6 9. So therefore value of S15 is equals to 960. That means sum of the first 15 terms, and the arithmetic progression series is multiples of 8 is 960. Okay, now similarly we have another problem. So in that, what is given? Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. The odd numbers means the last number does not equals to either 0 or 2. Okay, and because if we consider 4, last number as 4, it is divisible by 2. If we consider 6, that is divisible by 2. If we consider 8, that is divisible by 2. So therefore we have to consider only odd numbers. So odd numbers between 0 and 50. So between 0 and 50 means we have to consider from 1, 3, like that up to 49. If the question is like find the sum of the odd numbers between 1 and 50, that means we have to leave 1, because between 1 and 50, so it does not include 1. So therefore our arithmetic progression starts from number 3. Now here we have 0 to 50, therefore we have to start from 1. So say first thing, by using the given data, the arithmetic progression series becomes series becomes 1, 3, 5, so on up to 49. So now here we have the one advantage, because the total numbers present between 0 to 50, that means the last term is 49, therefore we will get the value of an as 49, and first term is here 1, and common difference we have to find out. 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. Similarly 5 minus 3, that also becomes 2. So therefore from the series we can get value of A, value of B, and value of AN, that is last term of the series. So total number of terms are not given. By using the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, we have to calculate value of N. So here I will write the given data as A equals to 1, then D equals to 3 minus 1, it becomes 2, and AN is equals to 49. These are not given. By using this arithmetic progression series, we have to find out these values. Then we know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. Value of N is 49 equals to value of A is 1, N minus 1. Total number of terms are unknown. So therefore it will remain as this N minus 1, and value of D is 2. Now we have to calculate the unknown term, that is N. So 49 equals 1 plus 2 into N, 2N, minus 2 ones are 2. 49 equals 2N, 1 minus 2, it becomes minus 1. So I will take this minus 1 on the left hand side and I will rearrange. It becomes 2N equals to 49 plus 1, because minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore 2N is equals to 50 and N is equals to N equals to 50 by 2, that is equals to 25. So therefore in this odd number series there are totally 25 terms are present, that is between 0 to 50 totally 25 terms are present. Now we have to find out the sum of these 25 terms. So we know the formula SL equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So as 25, because totally 25 terms are present, it becomes 25 by 2, and the value of A, the first term is 1, plus n minus 1, totally 25 terms. So therefore 25 minus 1, and the value of d is 2 here. As 25 equals to 25 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 25 minus 1, it becomes 24 into. Again we have to follow the BODMAS method. First we have to do the calculation of the terms which are present inside the bracket, and in that first we have to do the multiplication, then we have to go for the addition part. So therefore S25 equals to 25 by 2, 2 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. S25 equals to 25 by 2 into 2 plus 48 becomes 50, 2 1s are 2 25s are, so 25 25s are 625. Okay, S25 equals to 25 25 are 625. So if you want, I will do the calculation. 25 into 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, plus 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5 2 6, 625. So therefore the totally 25 terms are present between 25 odd terms are present between 0 and 50, and the sum of the 25 terms of this odd numbers becomes 625. That means S25 is equals to 625. So this is the method of solving this problem. And similarly we have another problem. A contract on construction specifies penalty. So rupees 200 for first day, rupees 250 for second day, etc. So that means for third day it becomes 300, for fourth day it becomes 350. Because it is given, it will goes on increase from 200 to 250. Then that means the common difference here is 250 minus 200, it becomes 50 rupees. So therefore for the penalty for the third day becomes 250 plus 50. It becomes 300. Then for the fourth day it becomes 350. So like that it goes on. And how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Okay, if the contractor delays the work by 1 day, he has to pay rupees 200. If he delayed by 2 days, he has to pay rupees 250. Now we have to calculate, if he delays by 30 days, what is the total amount he has to pay. So first term we have in the series, that is 200, and common difference here is 50, and total number of days are given, that is 30 days are present. So by using this data, we have to calculate the sum of the term. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have the value of n here, the total number of terms, it is 30, and a value is 200, and d value is 50. Okay, so by using this data we can write one arithmetic progression series as so based on this data we can write the arithmetic progression series, that is 200, 250, so on. Then here value of A is 200, for the first date is 200, and value of D 250 minus 200, D becomes 50, that is rupees 50, and N is equals to 30. Totally 30 days are present. Now we know the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So totally 30 terms are present, therefore it becomes S30 equals to n by 2 becomes 30 by 2, 2 into a value is here 200 plus n minus 1. Total number of totally 30 terms are present, so therefore it becomes 30 minus 1 and value of d is 50 here. S30 becomes 30 by 2, we can write it as 15. 2 2s are 4 plus 30 minus 1, it becomes 29 into 50. So therefore I will use what marks in here. S30 equals to 15 because 30 by 2 gives 15. Then 400 plus 9 5s are 45. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 4. 0. So 9 5s are 45. Here 4. Then 5 2s are 10. 14. The last 0. So S30 equals to 15 into 400 plus 1450. It becomes 1850. Therefore, I will use here commutative property, that is A into B is same as B into A. 1850 into 15. 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, it becomes 9, 0 5 8 1, 0 5, 5 plus 2 7, 8 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, it becomes 2. Therefore S30 is equals to 27750. So he has to pay 27,750 rupees if he delays the work by 30 days. Okay. So here the formulas are here. First, by using the data, we have to write the arithmetic progression series, and by using that arithmetic progression series, we have to find out what is the value of A, D, and common difference. And by using the value of n and the formula, we have to substitute, and finally we will get the answer as 27,750. Thank you.